What if you could instantly swap characters, voices, and even backgrounds in any video, all with just a few clicks? Let's see how you can use it step by step. Welcome to Higgsfield Recast Studio, one of the most powerful AI tools for video transformation. It's an advanced AI creation platform designed to bring your ideas to life through video, image, and character generation. From realistic face swaps to voice cloning and full scene transformation, everything inside Higgsfield runs on cutting-edge generative AI models built for creators, filmmakers, and digital artists. It's basically your one-stop studio. So just hit the description link and you'll land on the Higgsfield AI website. Now hit the sign in button and continue with Google to create your account. Let's start with the Recast app, which lets you swap a character in a video instantly using AI. From your dashboard, click on Apps, then select Recast from the list. You can also find it in the featured section right on the homepage. Click on Try Now. This opens a simple dashboard where you can upload your video and image to generate your AI-swapped result. Click Upload Video and select your clip, preferably 5 to 15 seconds long. After uploading, click on Upload Character Image and choose the image or AI portrait you want to replace the person with. Once both files are uploaded, hit the Generate button. Higgsfield will start processing your video using full body tracking and gesture detection. When it's done, you'll get a preview of your AI transformed video. The results look super realistic. The gestures, posture, and lighting match perfectly. Finally, click Download to save the video on your device. That's how easily you can create a complete full body AI swap using the Recast app. You can go ahead to the Recast Studio from here. You can also access it from the top menu. Just go to Character, Recast Studio. Here's your main dashboard. You'll see 3 sections. Select Character, Voice and Dubbing, and Background. This is where all the magic happens. Start by uploading a short video, ideally between 5 and 15 seconds. Recast will automatically analyze the motion, lighting, and facial expressions in real time. Next, let's pick a character. You can upload your own reference image or choose one from Higgsfield's pre-built character library. For this example, I'll select one of the preset characters, but you can upload anyone, even fictional characters, for creative use. Now let's move to voice and dubbing. You can keep the original voice or choose from multiple AI voices
Love
like
is
Andrew,
composed of a
Annette,
single soul
Ian,
inhabiting
and more.
The stillness of the evening was pierced by...
In the theater of life, kindness is...
Rivers stretch their arms to the sea's open.
Each has a different tone, from casual to cinematic. You can even clone your own voice or upload a short sample for realistic dubbing. And the best part, you can dub in many languages, including English, Hindi, Italian, Portuguese, Russian, and Turkish. Next, scroll down to the background section. You can replace or stylize the scene instantly, from a cozy minimal setup to luxury masculine, or even a clean green screen for advanced editing later. Once everything's set, just click on the Generate button. The AI will process your video in the cloud. Once done, you'll see your AI transformed video preview.
We can't keep this inside forever. I know. Maybe we don't need to say anything today. Silence won't make it go away. I need to believe we're still a family after this. Leah, it's vibrating.
It looks incredibly realistic. Face movements, lighting, and lips perfectly matched. Now just hit download and your AI-powered recast video is ready to share. And that's how you can create stunning AI videos with Higgsfield Recast Studio. From character swapping to full dubbing and backgrounds, it's everything you need to transform your content in minutes. Try it out yourself. The link is below. And for all AI chatbots in one website, watch the video on the left. To turn your long AI videos into shorts, check out the one on the right. See you in the next one.